Dan,
So, man, how are
welcome
you?
to the channel, brother.
Yes, sir. Oh my gosh, thank you.
I put a little shout out on my Instagram. Anyone got a cool build, hit me up. And Dan, hit me up. Thank you for having us.
Yeah.
And obviously, thank you for taking your time out to show us your car. Yeah. Do you want to tell us about what we are looking at here? And yeah, man, the spec and setup.
I want to give the credit to the Australians. You know, I have to.
Yeah.
Because everything inspired is all Australian, man.
Okay.
Full Nito 3.2 wide journal stroker, RB26 with 272 Kelford cams, Garrett G42 1200 turbo. I mean, PRP trigger kit, PRP crank, everything PRP. So, you know, Haltech, shout out to Haltech.
Yeah.
Man, this, you know, it drives and functions like stock, and that's the dream. At the end of the day, it got to a point where, hey, I'm gonna keep it stock, to, hey, let's go single turbo, and then we found an RB30 block, so.
Have you actually done any smoothing or anything?
Yeah, so we painted it. I did the wire tuck myself, and you know, critique it all you want. To me, it's something I wanted to do and I built myself, but every wiring, every sensor, I was very involved. Shout out to J Motorsports, because they're the ones that made the dream come true. We're actually building a 33 just like this. Okay. For a very close friend of ours, and I'm sure you'll meet him.
Okay.
He plays for a baseball team here.
Oh, no way.
Yeah,
all right.
Major League Baseball
no
team.
Way.
Yeah,
so he's up. Okay.
Yeah.
And you said Australian build, basically.
Yeah,
so,
everything.
Shout out to Andrew Hawkins, right? Because we actually just had a chat with Andrew.
Thank you for answering.
I know he'll be watching right now.
Yeah.
So again, he's another maniac when it comes to the GTRs.
Yeah. To be open, like, I built this in our backyard.
Crazy.
You know, the motor and, you know, my engine builder, and I think that's the cool part about it is, you know, I picked up the block already built. It was a full long block, and the engine builder, I'm not gonna name any names. Yeah, it blew up in December.
Oh man.
It blew up in December. I waited a couple months, and I'm glad I did, man. The stories from just the car alone. I think the biggest thing for me is, getting hands dirty, the wiring, you know, again, shout out to Haltech for all those videos.
So with this build, again, looking so beautiful, humongous turbo, crazy stroker kit. What kind of power are we making?
Okay, so we were at 24 pounds at 850.
Okay.
My drive shaft started to wobble.
Okay.
However you want to say it, if it's making 850 at 24, you add a couple more pounds, we'll hit 1,000. So. That's at the tire. We were at Real Street, and we started to, you know, everything else is stock on the car. We put a heart that's a monster in a. I still have Nismo's. I don't want to say stock, but I'm on Nismo suspension, so this thing squats. It handles. So we're not gonna go. You know what I mean? It's not gonna go crazy when we drive. But interior is still there. I have power steering. I have AC.
I love this. And H pattern still.
And still
because that needs power. Like a lot of people go sequential.
Again, shout out to Andrew, because man, you need to get a sequential. I'm like, sponsor me motive, please, because I will.
I love that. Now we all know that GTRs are 4-wheel drive. However,
so we had to take off the. It's gonna get rowdy when we go out. So we had to take off the front prop shaft for the dyno at Real Street. You know, it's rear-wheel drive right now, so you guys we're gonna get a little squirrely later. Maybe one day we'll put it back on. But I'm really planning on wanting to either go sequential or 8 HP.
Just looking at the car, the white on white with the carbon fiber, Z-Tune carbon fiber wheels would these be? This is just, oh man, the way it sits is amazing. And looking down here, would I be right in saying R35 GT-R brakes?
So they're actually Porsche GT4s.
Oh, really?
Again, I go against the grain here in the US. I didn't do the R35 brakes because I wanted to fit other wheels. It's like I had LMGT4s, but I knew if I had 35 brakes, I'd be only using the 18s or 19s, and I'm sure everyone's gonna comment and say, "Oh, that's not true." But I just, you know, I chose to get Porsche GT4s because.
Bro, they sit nice.
I mean, they stop the car.
But you know, what we like to say in the UK is the proof of the pudding is in the eating, and that means, sir, we need to see how it goes down the road. And we're gonna go do some hits. And you're crazy too. Like all that power to the rear wheel.
To the rear, yeah,
like,
yeah. I'm learning to handle it. Yeah,
don't tell me
don't
that.
worry. We're gonna
find out together.
We're gonna
All right, epic. Well, Dan, it's been great. Should we hit the road?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Let's go, bro. Let's go. Jesus! I wasn't expecting that. That's savage. Dan, brother.
Bro.
We are out.
Oh my.
We are out. I've just noticed your dashboard.
Yeah,
and apologies, I can't show everyone.
Yeah.
It's literally like an iPad laid on its side.
Bro,
I've never seen that. That is like the biggest dashboard I've ever seen.
Oh.
But also, bro, this car sounds absolutely crazy on the two-step. This is wild. And I am sweating, guys. My apologies. I'm not used to this climate. I'm not used to this climate.
Yeah, Florida, you're at 120 plus degrees.
Surveying the area. Bro, this is savage.
Spectoon. I know you're gonna watch this Spectoon. Yeah, he's a legend, man.
Oh, man, that's crazy. So, have you just got one map then?
Yeah, this is just full kill right now.
Full kill.
So
No messing around.
No
That's
messing
how we
around.
like it.
Yeah,
That's how we like it. This is crazy. Woo. Second gear.
Yeah.
The way that hits is nasty. Oh my god. I saw you reaching out and I'm like, what is he going for?
Yeah. So I have it set for rolling anti-lag right here.
Okay.
So I hold it, I'm in control.
Yeah.
As soon as I let go, then I have,
Bro, rear wheel drive GT-R, this is hitting like it hooked up. It hooked up. Kinda.
Yeah,
Scary.
Yeah, it's hooked. I'm not. I mean, you don't see me struggling with it, so.
This car is joke.
Insane, right?
This is
I'm shocked because
how fresh is this for you? Like, are you like
this is my
used
first.
to this now?
No, this is my first. Yeah, so I know. But I'm more aware. Like I understand. Last year, I don't think I would have been able to do what we're doing.
Okay. Yeah,
but
this is nice.
now that I was so involved in everything that I did to the car, I trust myself.
Yes,
I trust myself. I trust. Yeah.
Right.
Look, I mean, if you can see, my coolant's going down.
Oh man, that is bad.
My oil temp has been all those hits. Red line 190.
Oh,
oil
man,
temp.
that's great. Bro, you got to give us that addy.
Yeah.
That's the one. This is different. Dan, this is crazy.
Yes, sir.
Out in Florida in this bad boy. I love it, man. Shout out to Florida. Shout out to Dan.
Yes,
you're the
sir.
man. You're the man. You're the man, bro. Shout out to everyone. This is crazy. This is crazy. So who tuned this again?
So his name is Freddie from Spectoon.
Okay, shout out to
I'll
him.
tag him, or I'll send you his contact.
Yeah, we'll leave it in the description for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is nasty.
Backyard built by Glen Engineering.
Uh-huh.
I mean, what is that called? Literally built on a table, not a shop, not, yeah.
Dan, this car is savage. Yo, on on that two-step. Oh my God, the way it leaves. It must be leaving 11s. You must be doing fat 11s, right? This is crazy. It's mad because it moves around a little bit, but it kind of stays straight.
We're not even on coilovers. We're on Nismo, like, suspension.
Man.
Yeah, it's dialed in, man. Like,
Boy, I am sweating. This is savage. And the noises, man. You can't beat that Jap old school, big single turbo. Oh man, crazy.
No fuss. Coolant temps are perfect. Oil temp, everything.
Just loving life. It's actually a comfy, compliant ride too, like, you know.
I mean, is
that the AC?
It's for you. Yeah, we have AC.
Oh, let's go.
We were just recording because, you know.
We wanted all of those horsepowers for the hit. Oh man. Yeah. This covers ground differently. I actually thought for a rear-wheel drive GT-R, I thought like this would be
just squirrely.
Yeah, I thought it'd be in a bush. But it adds something. It adds something special to it. Like, obviously GT-Rs are known to hit off the line, and I'm sure you're going to do all that. But just for from the perspective of a fast car that has a bit of drama with the RB noise, bro, it's nice, bro. I love that. Yeah, this is wild, man. Guys, we're being treated.
Man, I was literally watching for years. I can't believe I'm in a video with him.
Bro, listen, I can't believe we've made this happen. And I can't believe, like, you know what I mean, you're a proper supporter of the channel too. And just out of nowhere, you know, we're
here in freaking Florida.
Crazy, it's crazy, bro.
Thank you, bro. What an honor.
Crazy.
Thank you, man.
You are the man. Bro, listen, the hospitality and just all of this stemming off me putting a shout out on my Instagram all the way out here in Florida. I don't really know much people. Shout out to Javier from TRC. He's about my only connect out here.
Yeah.
But now I've met a new friend.
Thank you.
You know, so thank you so much, bro. It's been great, and to go out and send your car and drive it the way it should be, man. I'm sure GT-R fans will be very pleased.
Yes, sir.
Bro, this is raw. It's raw. It's just everything. JDM. I'm a JDM lover. I'm a GT-R lover. I'm an RB lover, and this, definitely. This was my daily dose.
Shout out to Florida.
Yeah. Shout out
Florida
to Florida
RB fam. Let's go. Representing right now.
Let's go. Bro, listen, where can people find you? Because I know you do a bit of YouTube too, right? You just get
47 subscribers, you know.
All right, come on, we got to make that 100 at least. Like,
okay, 100, hopefully.
We got to make it.
So my Instagram is at Sandwich Artist. Okay. There's 2 T's. Okay. And then on YouTube, my new YouTube, as of 2 weeks ago, it's Kaiju34.
Okay,
so,
cool.
You know, Kaiju34.
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah.
And you know what? I'll make it easier for them to find. I'll leave links to your socials down below in the description.
Yeah.
Guys, please go over, show them some support, show them some love from the UK or wherever you are watching from in the world. Once again, Dan, it has been amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Guys, if you have enjoyed today's video, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. And we'll be back soon with more crazy videos. Let's go.